but it only takes a spoonful. But what happens next moves faster than you'd think. Sugar doesn't wait. Within minutes, it's already spreading through your bloodstream. That's the rush, a sudden blast of energy signaling your brain. Your pancreas notices the spike immediately, and it moves fast to correct it. Insulin is the key that unlocks your cells, pulling that sugar out of your blood fast. But that quick burst doesn't last. Once the sugar is cleared, energy often dips lower than before it arrived. That's the sugar crash. The rush felt like energy, but it was only ever fast fuel, not lasting energy.